everybody. My team and I have been working with the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, specifically on the Video Annotation Reference System Knowledgebase. My name is Mia Gorbea.
My name is Lucas.
My name is Dario Molina.
And my name is Tomas Hernandez.
Every week, MBARI sends out underwater rovers that are constantly recording data. Researchers at MBARI then watch those videos and document their findings into this knowledge base. They do this by using a Java Swing application, which allows them to add, edit, and delete concepts. The MBARI, the knowledge base serves as a backbone to many other MBARI services and is being adopted by many other research labs across the country. The problem is that their current model requires users to download Java onto their computer as well as other related dependencies. This makes it less accessible and creates a barrier when other research institutes want to adopt the tool.
As Maya said, one of the difficulties that I had is you had to download Java, install dependencies, wait for the application to start up, and then start doing it. So our objective was to create a web application that made it user-friendly for anyone to go to the URL and authenticate it on MBARI staff. You can just go into this website and start updating, creating, deleting, and reading information from our web application. As you can see right here, this is the old Java Swing application. And from here, for our project solution, as any web application, we have our backend and our frontend. On the backend, we're using a Spark server, and it was accepting HTTP requests, where each request was associated with updating, deleting, creating, and updating information from the knowledge base. From our frontend, it made it user-friendly, intuitive, and astonishing, as you guys will see in a moment. The frontend and our web application can maintain user activity accounts, and it made it nice and easy for any MBARI user to use.
So just to reiterate what Dario said, let's just take a look at this diagram. So on your guys' left side, you guys see MBARI services or the cloud. So this is the setup that MBARI has within their system. They have a video annotating system and a public search engine. So our solution will just plug right in, and if another research lab has a similar solution, they can take our solution and incorporate that as well. So starting off on the middle box, we use the Spark library. We use this to create the API, or the application programming interface, so we can have our web browser or the client can talk to and from the server, as well as the server does any heavy lifting, such as actually updating, as well as checking if the user has the correct privileges, like if he's an admin or a regular user. So this is the before, this is a demo of just adding a simple name to this concept. So like Mia stated before, it's a Java Swing application, and it requires each client to install it on their computer. Next, I'll pass it to Lucas.
Thank you. So then here you see the same sort of process of adding a name to a concept. So it's a similar interface, but this time it's web-based and doesn't require an installation on every individual computer. So we did this by using 20 different API endpoints, and it handles various different user types, whether it be admin or user, for different privileges. Yeah, and so just some next steps. This version of the knowledge base allows MBARI and other research laboratories to continue to improve it and add different functionality to it, as well as continue to migrate any old existing features that we might have not got to from the original Java application.
We would like to take a moment to thank our mentor, Brian Schlinning from MBARI, as well as our faculty mentors, Paige, Satya, and Dr. Bune. Thank you.